Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear this right now, but it is super windy. Like, hold on. If you see the tree like shaking, like it's crazy. Like it's about to knock over the trees back here. I'm on my balcony. It flipped over the chair. We had to bring the cat house inside that was right there. It's just crazy out here right now. My cat really wants outside. My other cat is somewhere out here in the wind. Oh, it's picking up. Oh my. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see it or hear it, but it is crazy right now. The house is literally shaking. So, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Thank you for watching. Bye, and I hope we'll be okay, me and my mom. All right.